What's good with it, folks? It's your boy Dookie here on The Edit. Before we get into this video, I want to say that most of this was shot well over a month ago. So that's why I had sort of an unboxing first experience type of vibe. But if you make it to the end, I'm gonna give you my updated long-term review and thoughts on the Pulsefire Haste. Let's get it. What's good with it, kinfolk? Got a new mouse in here today to check out. This is the HyperX Pulsefire Haste, a lightweight gaming mouse that we're gonna crack open and see what's good. But before we get into that, man, don't be too hasty and click on to something else.
Yeah, that's not funny.
You see what I did there? You like that? Make sure you hit that sub button, make sure you hit that like, and at the end of this, man, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment down below. Let's go ahead and see what's good with the Pulsefire Haste. All right, folks, come on in here. Let's take a look at this mouse. In the future, there's gonna be way less actual unboxings because honestly, you know, it's a box. You don't really need to see it coming out of the box. But I figured, why not? Let's take a look at this for the first time together. You know what I'm saying? Let's share that experience. This is the Pulsefire Haste, ultra lightweight, 59 grams with a HyperFlex cable and the PixArt 3335 sensor. Let's just go ahead and open this up. Let me get my knife. Boom. Also, this box came hella beat up from Amazon. Like, you see, they were just like, ain't nothing important in this box. They must have been playing soccer with it or something. All right, now. Let's go. Okay, I see what it is. You see we have the hexagon design. We got some paperwork. Oh, looks like it has some extra grips in here. I don't see them. Boom. Some extra included grips that you could put on there. I've never actually put grips on a mouse. Maybe I'll put them on these. Let's pull this out. And let's take a look at the mouse itself. Wow, this is really light. This is, I mean, they are not playing. This is super light. It feels like almost nothing in my hands. Let's go ahead and rip that off of there. So here you can see the honeycomb design is here on both of the buttons. You have your scroll wheel. You have your side buttons right here with a little bit of HyperX branding. On the bottom here, you have 4 PTFE skates and more of that honeycomb design. I actually really like this size and shape. It really just feels comfortable in my hand. You know, I can get to the buttons, easy access. Even the side buttons, I can use those. Let's see this cable. It's not bad. It's pretty flexible. It's kind of thin. Let's see, yeah, it's super thin. There's no real cable relief. You're gonna want a mouse spongy to lift that cable off of the table since there's no relief right here. So on the initial boot up, only lighting I see is right here on the scroll wheel. I don't know if there's supposed to be anything in here. Let's go ahead and download the software and play with the options. All right, so I've downloaded the app. It is the Ingenuity app from HyperX and Pulsefire. When you first open it up, it asks to update the mouse's firmware. All right, so when it comes to lighting with this mouse, you really only get the scroll wheel button right here, and you have like a breathing effect, a fade effect, a cycle effect, and a static effect. I think I'm just gonna leave this as like static white going forward. I like this clean look. I like that static white with this black mouse, black matte finish and feel. I'm not mad at that. It's kind of, no, it's more of a black. It's more of a matte feel, semi-gloss. It's not really glossy, but it's not all the way matte, you know? Let's just go ahead and game, man. I'm gonna play some games and we'll see how we do. All right, let's jump in here to some Valorant Deathmatch. We in the warm-up section, just getting ready. Feels good, super lightweight. Ooh, they ain't have to take me out like that. They could have let, we just in warm-up. See if we can get some headshots. Can we get some head? There we go, let's take 2 people out. I see you. Got him. Ooh, caught him creeping. He didn't even see me there. He didn't even know what I was doing. Let's see if our creep wanna come up. Got her, headshot. You a bum. Oh, you a bum? You trash. I don't even know what you're doing. Oh, we back up. We back in the top 10. We back in the top 5. Let's go. Ooh. All right, let's switch it up. All right, man, we here is some Call of Duty, Black Ops, Cold War, I wanna say. Yo, it's dope. I like that they brought the Express map back. I was actually pretty nice on this map. Ooh, he ain't had to do me like that right out of the box. Got him. All right, let's wrap this up with my overall final thoughts on the HyperX Pulsefire Haste. I gotta say that I was really surprised at just how lightweight it is, but solid it feels in the hands. I'm sorry, I gotta say it, it's a mouse. That's where you use it. Being that this is made by a big box company like HyperX and a low price, they could have cheaped this out and said, hey, we're coming with a lightweight mouse and been done, but this is actually a quality product, especially by the build quality of the copy that I have here, even though the box came all types of messed up. Over time, I have to say when it comes to gaming, the clicks are solid. I don't notice any type of squeaking or anything like that. The one problem I may have just depends on how I rest my hand. This click, sometimes if my hand is resting here and I click, I feel this wall right here. That's just a minor gripe. And another big issue that I had with this mouse was more with the software, using now HyperX Ingenuity software, but then I realized I was totally wrong. So when you open the software, you can set your macros, your lighting, anything like that. When you go to close it, it gives you a warning that says this software runs better when it's minimized to the taskbar. I ain't like that. I either wanted it minimized to be running in the background to where I don't have to see it, or just completely closed. But what I didn't realize is that you can actually save the profile to the mouse. Now, if you're someone who likes multiple profiles built into the mouse for different games, you may not like that as you only get one profile to save. But once I saved the profile to the mouse, I was good to go. I don't need that software anymore. It's baked right on in. But otherwise, man, I really like this mouse. I think if you're looking for a cheap, lightweight mouse to try, and you've tried some of the other ones and they didn't really do it for you, give this one a go, man. I like the shape. In my hand, it feels solid. I just, can game for hours without having an issue. The feet glide really well on whatever pad that I use it on. I'm really impressed with the HyperX Pulsefire Haste. Let me know what mouse you're currently using down below in the comments. I love hearing what you guys are using, giving me some options to check out old mice or something that I may have missed. I'm gonna get up out of here and make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and never forget to holla at your boy.